You absolutely cannot afford to miss this. If you're looking for an ALPR camera that will completely redefine what you thought was possible, this is the video you need to see. Introducing the ACTi AI-powered ALPR camera, built to track vehicles speeding at up to 320 km per hour, with crystal clear capture up to 900 meters away, and it costs 30% to 50% less than Axis. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. Whether it's at a factory gate, parking lot entrance, or highway checkpoint, zooming in on a plate from far away can be a nightmare, but not with ACTi. With up to 60x optical zoom, you can capture license plates clearly and precisely from long distances. A few clicks, and you're zoomed in live. This is a game changer for monitoring restricted zones and identifying suspicious vehicles before they get close. Blurry plates from fast-moving traffic? That's a thing of the past. With 120 frames per second at 2MP resolution, ACTi's ALPR cameras ensure crystal clarity, even when vehicles are flying by. This is perfect for intersections, toll lanes, and high-speed factory checkpoints, ensuring you never miss a plate. Why buy 3 cameras when one ACTi camera can monitor up to 3 lanes at once? Ideal for highway entrances, multi-lane parking areas, or busy loading zones, this feature saves you on hardware, installation, and maintenance, all while boosting surveillance efficiency. Flexibility is key in the real world. That's why ACTi offers both Zoom Bullet and PTZ models of ALPR cameras. Whether you need fixed-point high-zoom monitoring or dynamic PTZ patrol views, you'll find the perfect setup for your traffic checkpoints, factory exits, or urban intersections. Want ultra-crisp images? ACTi gives you up to 9 megapixels of resolution, capturing every detail even in low-light parking lots or busy factory gates. When precision matters, for identification, evidence, or analytics, high resolution makes all the difference. Think high-speed cars are impossible to catch? Think again. ACTi cameras can capture vehicles going up to 320 km per hour, both front and side view, perfect for highway enforcement and sensitive facility perimeters. No vehicle is too fast for our AI engine. From just 4.5 meters all the way to 900 meters, our ALPR cameras adapt to every scenario: factory entrances, roadside checkpoints, or wide area parking facilities. This unmatched range flexibility gives you total freedom in planning your security coverage. Contact ACTi now to get your free ALPR camera trial program and see for yourself how much better your security operations can be. Whether you're managing traffic, guarding a factory, or running a parking operation, better visibility, lower costs, and smarter surveillance are just one click away. Let ACTi help you secure what matters intelligently.